MSR's Hubba Hubba Tent has been a bestseller for more than a decade and a hallmark of the MSR tent line. The 3-season tent defines lightweight livability, weighing in at just 1.6 kilograms or 3 pounds 8 ounces. In addition to keeping packs light, the Hubba Hubba NX is ultra livable. Its interior provides plenty of head and shoulder room, offering spacious comfort whether you're out for a weekend or a week-long trip in the backcountry. With its 2 large vestibules, storing gear outside the tent is easy. Inside, stuff pockets keep smaller items organized, while loops provide a place to hang lights at night. The tent features lots of mesh for ventilation and kickstand vents to reduce condensation and increase airflow. For wet days, the tent carries forward its stay-dry doors with built-in rain gutters. And we maintained the light gray rainfly to create a pleasing, neutral light inside. All this comes with some exciting new technologies. The Hubba Hubba now features premium Easton Cyclone poles. Made of aerospace composite materials, these poles flex under the force of heavy winds and bounce back to shape, ensuring your trip can go on. We also added our new Extreme Shield coating for long-lasting waterproof protection. This revolutionary coating lasts up to 3 times longer than standard coatings, so you experience far more seasons of dry comfort inside your tent. Combined with precision-stitched seams, Extreme Shield adds a new level of longevity to your Hubba Hubba's performance. After your trip, completely dry your tent and store it uncompressed in a cool, dry space to help prolong its life. While they're packed with technologies, Hubba Series tents take up little space in your pack and come with a convenient wide-mouth storage sack. Whether you choose the Solo Hubba, the Hubba Hubba, Mother Hubba, or the Papa Hubba, you'll enjoy the whole backcountry experience, including your time spent inside the tent.
This is Kunai, the pinnacle in elite backcountry tents. Designed to stand strong as the lightest 3 to 4 season backpacking tent with mountaineering stability and a convertible tent body for warm weather versatility, Kunai is home base for year-round adventures. Kitted with technology alpinists require, Kunai has the technical features you'll need to face the ever-changing weather of the backcountry at a pack size to cover greater distances. Kunai's premium 15D nylon ripstop fly is significantly stronger, reinforced with the silicone treatment for increased durability and the most reliable, technical weather protection possible. Kunai's floor leverages our 30D nylon ripstop and single seam construction for greater protection and tent longevity. Our reshaped vestibule offers more volume at the front and maximizes usable gear storage, while the dramatically tapered fly creates a streamlined profile to stand up to prevailing winds, rain, or snow. Ultra-durable laminated polyester fabric reinforces canopy seams at the brow for greater tent rigidity and security in extreme conditions. Kunai's thoughtfully engineered frame design with an aggressive brow pull is built to provide an unprecedented amount of headspace for 2 camping partners. Kunai's top-shelf color-coded pull system offers an intuitive, lightning-fast setup and leverages incredibly strong, premium aluminum DAC Featherlight poles for ultralight strength and stability. Weatherproof hoods allow pass-through guy-outs to secure inner tent structure directly to the ground when you need greater protection in a storm. And double-looped corner anchors offer greater stake point variation with the durability of 2 loops and the position and size versatility of a single loop. Kunai's legendary versatility starts with its breathable nylon ripstop convertible interior canopy with double-layered mesh windows and door, providing the ventilation needed to be comfortable in anything from hot, humid days in the trees to frigid temps and exposure in high mountains. A large interior gear loft and multiple gear pockets provide plenty of storage for essentials like your GPS, maps, or extra layers. 2 strut-supported vents in the fly at the front and back allow for greater ventilation and condensation control, even in the stormiest conditions. 2 gatefold carabiners connect intersecting poles to evenly distribute stress in the frame during high winds, increasing tent security and longevity. And for those dark nights, light pockets allow you to turn your headlamp into a tent lantern through light diffusing fabric. And for greater visibility, especially at night, Kunai is outfitted with a bright orange fly and reflective orange webbing and guy lines. When you're outfitting for an adventure that will take you across many landscapes and through a wide range of conditions and need the most technical, lightweight backpacking shelter, there's no better choice than Kunai. And like all Nemo products, your Kunai comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.
The High Route is an ultralight one-person shelter, weighing in at only 1 pound 15 ounces for packed weight. Not only is this tent designed to be ultra lightweight, it also has multiple tent configurations. You can set it up as a full tent or as just a tarp. Setup is a breeze with color-coded clips and buckles. In the full tent configuration, you end up moving to a 40-inch peak height, but you also gain a full nylon mesh bug screen, waterproof bathtub, along with a gear closet vestibule. With our offset pole construction, you can see that we get vertical walls on either side, which leave no room for water to pool, and also give you tons of livable space on the inside of this tent. For high winds, the High Route does offer additional options for guy lines and increased tension. Because the High Route has no pole construction and it's based off of trekking poles, we decided to go with the stuff sack. So when it's time to pack up camp, you just grab the tent, stuff it inside the bag, and start hiking.
My name is Michael Gilbert. I'm the sales manager for CR Designs, and we're going to talk about the High Route. The High Route is going to be a perfect item for somebody who's looking for a lightweight tent that's going to pair well with their trekking poles. This is really for somebody who's looking to go on a long through hike, somebody who's really looking to trim down weight in any way that they can, somebody who really doesn't like their full toothbrush. The High Route 1 is going to come in at sub 2 pounds. It's also an extremely versatile structure. You can take the tarp shelter and the clip-in, or just the tarp shelter if you're looking for that. As an extremely roomy one-person tent, this is going to be an amazing upgrade from the camp coffins a lot of people are currently using.
Hi, I'm Tim with Slingfin, and I'm here to talk about our new lightweight freestanding two-person tent, the Portal. Our goal with the Portal was to design a shelter that doesn't make the same strength and livability sacrifices as most lightweight tents. Despite its impressive 2 pound 13 ounce trail weight, the Portal is still impressively sturdy, quite livable, and rich in features. The Portal is lightning fast to set up, even when it's windy, thanks to its simple architecture and the DAC pole swivel. Since traditional hubs have the tendency to pivot and twist in the wind, we opted for a hubless design with 2 long poles and a separate, shorter cross pole. This is a very stable pole configuration and provides tons of volume near the ceiling. When we were designing the Portal, we knew it had to be livable, not just lightweight, which is why we incorporated huge doors for easy entry and exit, vertical sidewalls for a voluminous interior, and an astonishing multitude of pockets, 7 to be exact. Internal hang loops allow you to string up a clothesline or hang a lantern. The silicone-coated fly is free of polyurethane, which won't degrade over time or produce that old tent smell that PU coatings give off when they break down. We use a Type 6.6 ripstop nylon in the Portal's fly, which has superior tear strength, UV resistance, and abrasion resistance compared to standard nylon. Unlike PU coatings, silicone won't absorb water, so it pitches drum tight and stays that way. The fly can also be pitched by itself with the optional footprint or tub floor with a minimum weight of only 2 pounds 2 ounces. The fly features our brand new kickstand vent, which creates unimpeded airflow across the top of the tent, keeping condensation to a minimum. Even when the kickstand vent is engaged, the fly still provides full weather protection and a dry entry to the tent. Our unique offset vestibule design makes entry and exit easier and provides great views and ventilation when the door is rolled back. The vestibules are roomy enough for plenty of gear, and both doors can be rolled back for views and ventilation, even in light rain. The Portal needed to be a tent that encourages adventure, not limits it. It was important to us to make a tent that would keep you safe and secure from the coast to the mountains. We carried over several features from our award-winning Expedition Series tents that help the Portal push the boundaries of what a sub 3 pound tent can do. It lets you sleep secure in the knowledge that your tent will still be standing when you wake up, no matter what happens while you're sleeping. The Portal comes pre-installed with internal guy lines, which add almost no weight, but dramatically improve the tent's resistance to wind and snow loading. Leave them installed and just tension them when the wind starts blowing. The internal and external guy lines correspond with toggles on the underside of the Portal's fly to connect it to the poles. This creates a system that stabilizes the pole structure from every direction. The toggles also allow you to roll the fly back halfway so you can enjoy the view, but still be prepared for a change in the weather. The fly has a formidable 12 external guy out points, so you can make the tent as bomber as it needs to be.
How bomber town?
It's so bomber. The tent features our proprietary outrigger attachment, which allows you to reinforce the tent structure using your own trekking poles or ski poles. By fastening your trekking poles at the ends of the cross pole and then installing the fly, you can essentially turn your portal into a burly 4-season tent that will hold against significant wind and snow loading.
The portal is designed for the long haul. Our durable PE-coated floor fabric resists mold and mildew and avoids the degradation associated with PU coatings. The zippers all feature our zipper garage with 2 extra sliders. High stress points are reinforced, and all the guy outs are back-tacked to distribute force evenly.
When it's time to break camp, the tent is easy to take down, and the short 13.5-inch pole package can be stored pretty much anywhere, including on the handlebars of your bikepacking bike. The lightweight fabrics are very compressible, and the tent will disappear into the nooks and crannies of your pack.
The portal is light, livable, and strong enough for all of your adventures. It's a great choice for your home away from home on the trail.
At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. Our new Firefly 2P backpacking tent takes flight with a unique balance of affordability and lightweight livability in a freestanding tent. Well appointed with multiple rollback points and generous vestibules, at a mere 3 pounds, Firefly 2P provides unprecedented amounts of room without weighing your pack down. With a tapered floor design that saves weight, Firefly's geometry increases room at the head where you need it most and supports vestibules with ample room to protect your gear. A sturdy tub floor starts with premium 68D coated polyester, providing comfort and security with plenty of weather protection to keep you warm and dry. Single seam construction ensures greater longevity. High-quality white no-seam mesh sidewalls balance privacy and significant airflow for temperature control while keeping condensation and bugs at bay. Black overhead mesh blends into the sky for full visibility of stars at night. Pre-bent DAC featherlight poles keep weight to a minimum, while a crossbar and high arching main pole significantly increase volume at the head, peak, and foot ends. Color-coded anodized hubbed poles and matching webbing make for an intuitive, ultra-fast setup. Firefly's premium 15D nylon ripstop fly is coated in a silicone water repellent, offering some of the most reliable and durable weather protection possible. We've added protected strut vents at the top of each zipper flap to ensure proper ventilation and to prevent condensation, especially during a storm when you need it most. Sleek geometry, secure pole anchors, and a single stake point on each rainfly vestibule make for a more weatherproof design and superior accessibility. 2 large vestibules have multiple rollback points, allowing for various exposure configurations and generous gear stashing volume. Extra guy-out points throughout allow Firefly to stand up to strong winds and driving rain when unexpected weather rolls in. Firefly is equipped with 2 corner gear pockets and light pockets at the head end, so you can turn your headlamp into a tent lantern, providing a pleasant glow through light diffusing fabric. And our divvy sack was developed to allow you to split the weight with your hiking partner. Adventurers looking for a superior backpacking shelter that offers bountiful space and longevity at a worthwhile price, Firefly shines brightly in the backpacking category of adventure gear. And like all Nemo products, your Firefly comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.